I hope you came here for the bonuses because I got them. Now, before we get started, though, please click on the first link in the description if you want to work with my personal internet marketing team that will coach and mentor you to making $10,000 per month. This is the dream team of marketers, and trust me, they don't hold anything back. Now, for your free bonus number one, you're going to get the step by step process on how to make money on Google with AI content. You're going to unlock the money making potential of AI with this step by step guide to generating consistent passive income with automated content. You're going to learn how to create AI powered assets, scale your online presence, and you're going to leverage your search engine optimization. This proven framework works for anyone willing to follow the process. So stop trading your time for money and start leveraging AI content to establish true financial freedom. Now, for your free bonus number two, you're going to get my personal list of 9 real websites where rich people literally give away free money. This extensive list reveals virtually unknown resources that give away real money with no strings attached. You're going to simply follow the steps outlined to apply and claim your share of thousands in free cash assistance, debt relief, and no payback funding. With this guide, you can uncover little known programs that are ready to help you get free money today. Now, your free bonus number three, you're going to get access to hundreds of done for you stock videos. You're going to elevate your video marketing with instant access to hundreds of high quality, done for you stock videos. Now, this massive stock video collection, it covers all popular niches and categories to suit any project. Just download and use. You're going to save hundreds on expensive stock footage by leveraging these 4K and HD clips in social media, websites, or pretty much any subject or niche at all. So go ahead and get these bonuses for free by clicking on my link below. It's going to be the second link in the description. Go ahead and get started. And here we go with the review. Thank you.
Hey, Dewan here, and today we're looking at a new product called Nebula. Nebula is the ultimate AI-powered Facebook channel builder. It's a revolutionary software that harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to create and manage Facebook channels effortlessly. With just a few clicks, you can set up your channel and attract targeted traffic to your offers, resulting in increased sales and profits. Now, Nebula is a new software by Billy Dar, a renowned name in the industry. Billy has a track record of creating high-quality products that deliver real results. So when I heard he had a new product, I knew I had to check it out. If his past products are anything to go by, Nebula is bound to be a game changer. What caught my eye about Nebula is the results people are seeing with this software. Users are reporting massive increases in traffic and sales. Just imagine being able to tap into the vast potential of Facebook's user base and generate unlimited free traffic to your channels. That's exactly what Nebula enables you to do. It's like having your own personal marketing team working around the clock to drive traffic to your offers. But that's not all. Nebula also offers a done-for-you setup option for those who are not tech-savvy. Their expert team will handle the software installation and configuration for you, so you can sit back and let the professionals take care of the technical aspects while you focus on growing your business. And if you're looking for automation, Nebula has got you covered. Activate the automation tools within Nebula and watch as it effortlessly manages your channels, automates posting, engages with your audience, and drives even more traffic to your offers. Now, you might be wondering if there's any scarcity or special reason to get Nebula right now. Well, the truth is, Nebula is launching at a special introductory price, but this price is only available for a limited time. Once the launch period is over, the price will increase. So if you want to get in on this incredible deal and start driving unlimited free traffic to your offers, I highly recommend clicking on the link below and grabbing Nebula today. Now, I know you might have some questions, so let me address a common one. Many people ask if Nebula has any drawbacks. Well, one minor drawback is that Nebula upgrade features may require extra investment, but they are worth it. So it's important to factor in this cost when considering the investment. In conclusion, Nebula is a must-have tool for anyone looking to skyrocket their online business. With its AI-powered technology, unlimited free traffic, and automation tools, Nebula takes the hard work out of creating and managing Facebook channels. So click on the link below to get Nebula today and take advantage of the special introductory price.